Look at these equations. 4 to the power of a equals 5. 5 to the power of b equals 6. 6 to the power of c equals 7. 7 to the power of d equals 64. You've got a mix of variables, mismatched bases, and it looks less like a math problem and more like a bowl of alphabet soup. The question is, what is the value of a, b, c, d? If you're staring down on a high-stakes college entrance exam, this is exactly the kind of problem designed to make you panic and waste 5 precious minutes. But welcome back to Trick Equals Treat. Today, I'm going to show you not one, but 2 ways to absolutely destroy this problem. First, we'll use the foundational method to see how the gears turn. Then, I'll show you the ultimate lightning-fast trick, but we'll have you solving this in your head. Let's dive in. Method 1 is all about recognizing patterns. Let's look at our first equation. 4 to the power of a equals 5. Now, look right next door at the second equation. 5 to the power of b equals 6. Notice anything? Exactly. The right side of the first equation is the base of the second. This means we can just substitute. Instead of writing 5 to the power of b equals 6, we replace that 5 with 4 to the power of a. Thanks to our exponent rules, when you raise a power to a power, you multiply them. So 4 to the power of a to the power of b equals 6 becomes 4 to the power of ab equals 6. Now the dominoes are falling! We take our shiny new 4 to the power of ab equals 6 and plug it straight into the next equation. 6 to the power of c equals 7. Substitute the 6 and you get 4 to the power of ab to the power of c equals 7, which simplifies to 4 to the power of abc equals 7. One last push. Take 4 to the power of abc equals 7 and substitute it into our final boss equation. 7 to the power of d equals 64. We drop it in. 4 to the power of abc to the power of d equals 64. Multiply those exponents one last time, and we arrive at 4 to the power of abcd equals 64. We are so close. We need abcd. We know 4 to some power equals 64. Since 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64, we know that 64 is just 4 cubed. The bases match, so the exponents must be equal. Therefore, abcd equals 3. Bam! Problem solved. Now the substitution method is beautiful. It builds fundamental algebra muscles. But if you are sitting in a timed test, you don't have time to write all that out. You need the treat. You need logarithms. A logarithm is just an exponent in disguise. Let's rewrite every single equation as a log. If 4 to the power of a equals 5, then a equals log 5 base 4. If 5 to the power of b equals 6, then b equals log 6 base 5. If 6 to the power of c equals 7, then c equals log 7 base 6. And if 7 to the power of d equals 64, then d equals log 64 base 7. The question asks for the product of a, b, c, d. So let's multiply our logs together. a, b, c, d equals log 5 base 4 times log 6 base 5 times log 7 base 6 times log 64 base 7. Looks terrible, right? Not if you know the change of base formula. We can split every single log into a fraction of natural logs. Log 5 base 4 becomes natural log of 5 over natural log of 4. Let's expand the whole thing. ABCD equals natural log of 5 over natural log of 4 times natural log of 6 over natural log of 5 times natural log of 7 over natural log of 6 times natural log of 64 over natural log of 7. And now for the most satisfying part of any math problem, the cross cancellation. Natural log of 5 cancels natural log of 5. Natural log of 6 cancels natural log of 6. Natural log of 7 cancels natural log of 7. Look at that! Everything in the middle vanishes into thin air. We are left with just the top of the last fraction and the bottom of the first. ABCD equals natural log of 64 over natural log of 4. Convert 64 to 4 cubed, and we have ABCD equals natural log of 4 cubed over natural log of 4. Simplify one step further. ABCD equals 3 natural log of 4 over natural log of 4. ABCD equals 3. 10 seconds flat! Whether you prefer the satisfying domino effect of algebra or the lightning-fast ninja strikes of logarithms, understanding both methods is how you truly master math. It's not just about getting the right answer. It's about having the right tools in your mental toolbox. If this trick helped you see exponents in a new light, hit that like button, subscribe to Trick Equals Treat, and share this with a friend who is stressing over their college math prep. Got another method to solve this? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, keep your mind sharp. Trick Equals Treat.